Hi, my name's Derek Gehl, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. And look, I want to just take a second and explain why I think, anyway, this channel's a little bit different than a lot of the YouTube channels out there teaching you how to build your online business. Look, I've been called an OG in the world of online business. In fact, not long ago, somebody said to me, wow, you're an OG in the world of digital business. And I thought OG actually stood for old guy. I had to look it up. And apparently it stands for original gangster. But the reason people call me an OG in this world is because I have been doing business online since 1998. And since I started doing business on the internet, not only have I sold now over $250 million in products and services on the internet directly from my businesses, I have helped literally thousands of people around the world using my tips, tools, and strategies to grow your own successful businesses all over the world, people from all walks of life. And when somebody asks me, what am I most proud of? What is my biggest accomplishment? It's not what I've sold. It's all the people that I've been able to help create incredible life-changing businesses and incomes using the internet. Now, the fact of the matter is, guys, is this YouTube channel is not another bro marketing, digital marketing channel. And look, I've looked around. There's all sorts of YouTube channels out there of people teaching you how to do internet marketing and build websites and SEO, and people claiming all these hypey claims and riches and stuff like that. And look, that's not what I'm about. I'm about building real businesses and real companies. And so when I teach you something, when I share something in a video or on one of my podcasts, you are learning something that I'm personally using to generate income on the internet. Right now, my businesses are generating over $18 million a year online today. I drive traffic through organic, through paid media. I use email marketing. I use social media. I am a student of marketing. Last year alone, I spent over $1.2 million on advertising. So, this is not some fly-by-night channel of somebody that's pumping up their results and their stats. What I'm sharing with you is what I do every day. And the best part is, I run these businesses from here in my home office. I help people all over the world. Sure, sometimes I'll travel around the world where I speak at events and I host conferences, but most of my time is spent doing what I love. And that's staying here in my home office, getting to spend time with my family while building incredible businesses. And that's what this YouTube channel is about. This is about helping you build amazing online businesses from wherever you happen to be, maybe straight from scratch. Maybe you've done this before and just need help getting to the next level. I want to provide tools, tips, strategies that are going to help you achieve your goals. There's going to be no bullshit, no hype. This is about here's what is working today. So, if you're tired of all these 20-somethings who've had one-hit wonders, if that, claiming to have the secrets to wealth, you know what I'm talking about. We see those all the time. If you're flipping through YouTube right now, chances are you've already seen some today. If you're sick of that and you want to just figure out how to do it the right way, just click the old subscribe button up above this video and follow along. But look, this isn't the only place we can connect, because I also host a couple different podcasts. My main podcast, the Project Ignite podcast, has over 100 episodes already waiting for you, with hundreds of amazing digital entrepreneurs whom I'm interviewing, drilling into their businesses and getting them to reveal the secrets to their success so you can learn from those. So if you haven't checked those out, head over to projectignite.com. Or on this channel, you can see recordings of past episodes. And if you just want to know more about me and my different businesses and the things I'm doing, great. Head over to derekgehl.com. Derek Gehl, DerekGehl.com. Or go to social media, any social media platform, type in my first name and last name, and you'll find me. Because as far as I know, there's no other Derek Gehl in the world. I'm the only one at this point. So if you search, you're going to find me. So what are you waiting for? I would love to see you start and grow an absolutely amazing business on the internet, and I'd love to be part of that journey. And that's why I've created this YouTube channel. No strings attached, just great training, great tips, great tools to help you out, to help you get started. And if there's something you'd like me to add here or something that you need help with, do you think would be a great video for this channel? Reach out, and who knows, I might record a video just for you. So thank you very much for being here. Go ahead, click that subscribe button, and I look forward to helping you on your journey to building digital freedom.